Hello everyone and welcome to this video. As the thumbnail suggests, I will be sharing my drawing process inspired by Genshin landscape. Unfortunately, the format of this video is vertical, but I hope you still will enjoy this. But before we hop right into it, I suggest you to check out my channel. I am uploading different speed paints like edible watercolor series and sharing some digital process and tips, so make sure to check it out. And as the video is quite long, I also encourage you to grab something to eat and maybe draw with me.
It's kinda nice, but also want some architecture. Oh, volcano. Don't know. I actually don't think that I can pull some difficult perspective off because I'm not that skilled, and also there will be problem with character perspective because it's gonna be something weird. And the night is over. I actually liked the nighty scene and nighty mood, but I find it very cute colors in the daylight. They're like so purpley, reddish, and green. I don't know, but I think they're good. Okay, I'm thinking something like that. Kinda this is what I was looking for. Maybe, probably. So let's just find the right angle. I want to for the sky to be seen, but well, let's go with something like this for now. Just simply at a screenshot, and I already started to trace it. And usually I kind of feel like, oh, I'm supposed to be real artist, so I have to do the hard way, But I don't know. I think I really have been thinking about it a lot, and before I really thought I would be criticized for tracing things and just redrawing things. If I'm gonna do that, then people are gonna say that I'm not a real artist. And sometimes I really like to challenge myself and be proud that I could draw something from imagination or somehow alternate the reference, but not everything's supposed to be a challenge, right? Sometimes it's fine to have fun and just to take things easy. And anyway, I'm gonna alter this and not just copy everything because I wanna play with proportions and some. And as you can see, I have found a real ball reference. Of course, it's not the same, but I really like that horn. And this shape alone made me pick up a pencil and start drawing. Really, when I saw the rest then it wasn't like a big deal for me because I saw the her designs rather strange and animations, but well, that's another topic. because it looked like a shape kinda, and I wanna make it like a little bit like a real ball. Yeah, because before it looked more like a shape. That's more like it, right? But at the same time, it should be rocky, so let's make it very smooth. Like something like this. And I probably won't change the shape of the horn, so it's too big. So what I'm gonna do, it's really a little bit too big for my tastes. Okay, let me think. No, I just scaled the head up, and honestly, I think I really want to try to make this part like more realistic. I don't know, I just want to do this. It's not a fact that I'm gonna keep some, but they're just looking so well. I can't. I have to give in to temptation and at least try this. It looks good, but hardly like part of the interior. What? Hardly like part of the environment. Architecture. Damn, it looks so well. Looks too well. Look, this is the first option and this is the second one. Should we just combine them? No? Yes? No? Okay, I think let's go with the first one because it's more Genshin. And honestly, I do love sky and I want to extend it. So let's see if we can just make it very nice and but that's how it looks like. And that's what we are working with. I didn't scale, I didn't change anything much, but well, I simplified and I changed something here and there, but not much. Not much yet. That's how it looks like. Wow, honestly, I think it looks nice. And now I think I'm gonna color it. Just look at it. I just accidentally filled it, but it looks kinda so nice. The sharp edges are so nice and create an illusion of details, you know? Oh my gosh, and it looks just amazing and finished, you know? Wow, I'm impressed. No, but how it becomes just better and better with it. Oh my gosh, oh my Jesus. And look at this, it looks like a bird. Crazy. It's just crazy. That's it though, is it just pretty much finished now? Oh my gosh, I'm impressed. I think it can get better. I'm just not gonna be able to make it any better. And now, perspective. To be honest, I have no idea what am I doing because when I'm recording, I'm trying to. I just forgot how to do things. Anyway. So, what do you think now? I think before it looked better, no? I don't know, but I definitely like it. But I think right now it's like kinda a lot of details and kinda started to get messy and no exact focus on focal point, So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do now because yeah. Oh, isn't it beautiful? I think it's very pretty. And you can feel the air and you can feel the atmosphere and it's kinda adventure-y and kinda, I don't know, you're just so cool, no? And I think it would be cool to add some more people and animals there, but honestly, I'm not sure if I can, but maybe I'll try. Isn't it so cool? Well, I think maybe I would add more lightning later on, but for now, I'm kinda liking it, how it looks like. I don't know. I actually was very intimidated to ruin everything, and that's why I'm not very up to go into color. But let me know what you think, and if you want to see the colored version, then let's get like 500 likes.